video is a very exciting slim waist flat belly workout which is just 5 minutes of your time. It's so easy, so doable, and it's sure to give you results. Finally, you can now achieve a slim waist with your favorite dress, and you can also achieve all your weight loss targets. Now, no more excuses. People who've joined my weight loss program have found magnificent results with these very exercises. This flat belly, slim waist, 5 minutes workout is absolutely the essential that you need if you want to achieve a slim waist too. So what are we waiting for? No jumping, no equipment needed, completely beginner friendly. Let's begin this very workout.
3, 2, 1, go!
So this was the amazing workout, and if you want to see maximum results, all you have to do is pair this workout with clean eating, healthy habits. But if you need guidelines and if you want to know all the details of what you should be eating through the day, then you are free to join my paid customized diet plan. I will be sharing the link below in the description box and you can contact me. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.